we're gonna do another take. You can't do the same thing. You need to talk up too.
Okay.
Huh? Hey, KrankeyRVers here. Old Krankey, and I've got...
Not Krankey. I'm not Krankey. I'm Jonna.
Yeah. Hey, we want you to take and enjoy and watch us on YouTube. If you would, take and subscribe and like, comment, help us to make our channel better. And please, please share with your friends as we go along in our journey and we share it with you. God bless.
Ring the bell for updates. God bless, guys.
KrankeyRVers here, old Krankey. Hey, show a little bit this weekend, some things we got done. We took some geodes and cut them in half and cracked them open to see what kind of surprises. Found some pretty clear crystal ones inside. And after that, we get done doing the rock opening, like cracking an egg. We'll go and cut down a big tree that was rotten inside. We were afraid we were going to fall on the neighbor's house. So climbed up, hooked to it. Jonathan put some tension on it with the Massey Ferguson. And after that, cut it, fell it, and we saved the day. The neighbor's house, the neighbor's lives, and some big problems for us. So enjoy, and God bless, and like and subscribe and leave us some comments. Thank you.
Alright, so now we'll do the second one. We don't know, it could be the same or it could be different. We don't know.